27 years ago we met. I did my share of mistakes. He did not do any. And we did not do everything together. From the day we met each other, it's just a bond. And I've worked with a lot of directors, I've worked with a lot of people, but the love and the fondness and the respect that I have for Suraj, I don't think I have for anyone. And today I think that there have been lots of directors, lots of them in our film industry. I am fortunate. बोलते हैं कि इसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था, उसके साथ काम कर लेना चाहिए था. People living, people no more. I'm happy that I worked with one person, and that is Suraj Barjatya. There is, as a director, as a human being, there is nobody better in this world than Suraj Babu. हम लोग यहाँ पे चश्मा लगा लेंगे, वो बेल्ट का स्टेप कर लेंगे, छोटी छोटी चीजें स्टाइल में आ जाएंगी, हेयर स्टाइल आ जाएगा. This man, when you leave the theater, he makes you a better man when you leave the theater. Not only better, much better, and that hangover lasts for the longest time. When this man directs a movie, भाई that's license है उसके लिए. When Suraj Babu directs a movie, there's so much of niceness, there's so much of purity, because he has seen that life. When he comes to action, when he comes to the negative side of writing dialogues, he's at sea because he's not seen that side at all. So when you see his movies, he brings back our culture, our Hindustani sabhyata that we keep on losing. He keeps on, drawing us back to that. He keeps on drawing us back to our morals, to our roots. I think there is no director, no human being better than Suraj Barjatya.
Salman sir, I have to ask you this. You saw I know sometimes you see stuff like when we also see it. Sometimes you see the trailer with us only, and that's the way it works. What was the first reaction that you had when you saw the teaser poster? Then of course there's another one that came with you and Sonam, that's there at the back. But it's a homecoming, yes. But there's so much. Sorry?
Not when he saw it,
He decided it. Just by back. So what is this? What is the deal with the teaser poster where it has to come? Why don't we see your face a lot? In Bajrangi, it was your lips and it was that locket. Here, it was your back.
See, in Maine Pyar Kiya, it was this.
He was the first one to do it, by the way.
Prem Ratan Dhan Payo.
Not much.
So they've just shifted the camera. I'm. Tasveer.
Why change a winning combination? Why change a winning combination? Just turn it around. Okay.
So when we decided this teaser poster, it was supposed to be released a few days ago, almost weeks ago. So kahin na kahin, the fans sensed that we're coming out with the teaser poster. Things leak. So ready nahi tha, isko ye change karo, wo change karo, and him being so particular about everything, get this out, put this in, all that stuff. And then I realized कि अब इतने दिन का build-up हो गया है, 10 दिन का build-up हो गया है, जूते पड़ेंगे इसके ऊपर कि 10 दिन के बाद I said release this, don't release. But it was accepted.
Like I said, the color worked also very well, and of course, your back.
I don't think it's the color. I think it's just the feel to Prem Ratan Dhan Payo. That is working.
My question is to Salman sir. Nobody plays Prem better than you. And you have played so many characters of Prem. Which is your favorite?
When Suraj Brajatia directs me as Prem,
Yeah.
that is by far the best Prem I've ever done.
Thank
Because
you.
you see him in me, you don't see me. So what you see of me is all him.
That's nice. Thank you. Right.
Hi. Salman, you just praised Surajji. Can we say that Surajji gets the best out of you as an actor?
As a person, and that translates on screen.
And one quality that you have imbibed as Prem in you?
See, all the movies that I'm doing right now is like when you see a Suraj Brajatia film and you come out of the theater, you want to be that person. So while doing 150, 200 days of a movie, I try and get as much of that character into my own personality now.
Salman sir, another question.
Rekha to Sonam, you've worked with so many heroines. What do you have to say working with all of them?
Rekha ji was my bhabhi in the movie.
Fine, even as a bhabhi.
When she becomes my bhabhi, then I will tell you.
Okay.
Salman sir, towards your left. You played Prem 16 years back and you're returning back as Prem, as Suraj sir's Prem now. In these few years, you've played different characters and you've tasted supreme success. How much have you missed being Prem? People have missed you as Prem on screen. How much
I
have
miss
you missed?
being Prem so much that I did a film called Ready with Anis Bazmi. And we tried to make it a Suraj Brajatia film with Anis Bazmi kind of comedy. And I was called Prem in the film.
And how much have you missed being Suraj sir's Prem then?
That much. That's why he did that film.
Naya aaya hai ye.
Hi.
Hi, my question is to Salman. Salman, in this film, straight right in front.
Actually, to the right.
in
straight the right.
this film, we see you in two avatars. One as the innocent Prem, and one as a fighter who we hear is Vijay. Is that true? Do we get to see you in a double role in this film?
See, all these lying sawal Suraj Brajatia will give you.
हेलो मेरा सवाल सोनम
Wait,
से है।
you need to see the film. For that, that's our film. We can't open a film. We're not going to say there's one character, two characters, three characters. We're just going to say that you need to go and see the film.
Salman, also while you were shooting this film, you were going through a difficult time in your personal life.
I'm always
Was that-
going through that difficult time. That does not reflect on the film. So whenever I'm going through a difficult time in my life, my work on film is that much better. So please remember that. And then do not let the difficult time hamper the release of the film. Because we worked a lot on that, in that difficult time, on that film.
Right, so that was my...
And I'm still going through it now. Keep on going through. That's my share of karma.
प्रेम रतन धन पायो पिक्चर का नाम है, लेकिन असल जिंदगी में लोग सलमान रतन धन पायो पाना चाहते हैं। तो
Same thing,
ये
no?
ये जो धन है ये स्विस बैंक में जाएगा कि कि ये बड़ी हीरोइन के बैंक में जाएगा कि ये एक आम लड़की की जिंदगी में जाएगा?
ये पूरा धन आप अपने में समा सकती हैं।
नहीं मुझे इसका सही जवाब
कैमरास
चाहिए।
उधर पॉइंट करो, फिर समझ में आएगा।
नहीं मेरे पास मेरा सलमान है।
और अगर थोड़ा सा कुछ बच गया तो बांट देना।
ओके नहीं प्लीज अगर आप जवाब देंगे तो थोड़ा अच्छा लगेगा।
आपको
सलमान जी शैलेंद्र ओके सॉरी
इतना पॉज हो गया कि मैं सवाल ही भूल गया।
स्विस बैंक ये हीरोइंस या आम लड़कियां, इसमें से कहाँ ये सलमान धन जाएगा?
स्विस बैंक में तो नहीं जाएगा। ये ऑप्शन अपन बाद में डिसाइड करेंगे।
सलमान जी शैलेंद्र सिंह न्यूज नेशन से, आप प्रेम रतन धन पायो के मुख्य रत्न हैं।
इतने बड़े स्टार हैं?
हाँ नहीं आप प्रेम रतन धन के मुख्य रत्न हैं। पीएम मोदी ने 9 रत्नों में से एक रत्न आपको चुना था स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के दौरान। आपने स्वच्छ भारत अभियान के लिए क्या किया और आप अपने काम से उस काम से कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं?
साफ सुथरी फिल्म की।
नहीं ये सलमान जी से सलमान जी प्लीज प्लीज आप जरा इस पे
सर आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो?
बिल्कुल फॉलो कर।
हाँ
लेकिन मैं सुनना चाहता हूं सर।
नहीं सर, अगर आप मुझे ट्विटर पे फॉलो करते हो तो फिर अगर आपका मायना ये है सवाल से कि वो सिर्फ एक फोटो सेशन था, नहीं सर। हम लोग हर महीने 11 लोगों को 100 लोगों को नॉमिनेट करते हैं और 11 लोगों को कुछ न कुछ हमारी तरफ से गिफ्ट दिया जाता है।
सर कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं? नहीं, अपने काम से आप कितने सेटिस्फाइड हैं स्वच्छ भारत अभियान से?
सर ये अभी तो शुरुआत है सर, आगे आगे देखो होता है क्या सर।
थैंक यू।
हेलो सलमान एंड सोनम, आप दोनों से मेरा ये
मैंने
सवाल
स्टार्ट किया था लेकिन बीइंग ह्यूमन ने इसको हमारे लिए एक इनिशिएटिव ले लिया है और ये अब हमारा हो गया है। स्टार्ट उन्होंने किया था, उन्हीं का है, लेकिन हम जो कर रहे हैं वो हम कर रहे हैं। माय पर्सनल लाइफ।
Are you handling it? Are you balancing it?
How do you balance family and personal life? Oh, sorry, personal and professional life.
There is no difference between any of them for me because I work with friends, I work with family, and if I don't know them, I make sure that I make them friends and family. So it's otherwise you can't be happy and you can't give it your best till the time you don't like the people that you're working with. If you don't like somebody, then you don't do the movie. But if you like the movie so much, then you make sure that you get along with everybody on the sets. Taj Mahal मोहब्बत से बनता है, नफरत से थोड़ी बनता है।
Fans have also been drawing comparisons with the posters with Sanjay Leela Bhansali's Hum Dil De Chuke Sanam. Do you find any resemblance at all?
आपका एड्रेस पूछ रहे हैं मन में ही है।
That was a nice poster as well.
I think this is better.
Oh, अच्छा. Oh. That was a really nice poster, and this is also really beautiful. I think very pretty.
All right, guys, thank you. We'll just finish off with a photo op, sir. If you could all come in front.